Hey everyone, I'm Jay and I just completed watching Sakunetsu Kabaddi or Burning Kabaddi and I have some thoughts and opinions that I want to share. So this is my review. But before that, let's go over the synopsis for those who are not familiar with this anime. So the story of Sakunetsu Kabaddi revolves around Yui Goshi, a nationally recognized ex-football player who has developed hatred towards all sports and now wants to become a famous live streamer. One day, Azimichi, a member of school's kabaddi team, tried to recruit Yui Goshi, but Yui Goshi declines his offer. But due to Azimichi's persistence and him continuously interrupting Yui Goshi's live stream, Yui Goshi decides to meet his seniors so that he can talk to them and tell them that he don't want to be part of any sports team. But instead, the vice captain of the kabaddi team blackmails Yui Goshi and makes him practice with them. After a while, due to the competitive nature of the sports and Yui Goshi's I don't want to lose attitude, he develops quite a liking to the sports and now wants to become the greatest raider that there is. So now to the review. So according to me, Sakunetsu Kabaddi is overall a decent anime. It's not very good, it's not very bad either, but it's just okay. The opening and ending sequence, that is Firebird and Coming Back, are good song. Not quite to my liking, but they are good song. The animation and the art style are really good. I really liked it. And if we are talking about the story, I would divide the anime into three parts. The first five episodes, the first practice match, and the second practice match. The first five episodes are really boring. The first practice match is where things starts to get interesting, and the second practice match is the best thing that ever happened in this anime. First five episodes of this anime there is very little story. They're in the gymnasium almost the whole time explaining rules. I don't know if that is something that all sports anime do because Sakunetsu Kabaddi was the first ever sports related anime that I ever watched. So I'm not very sure about that. But even if it's not, I can understand why they would do so because Kabaddi is not a very popular sport outside the Indian subcontinent. I don't think anyone in Japan would know any rules of Kabaddi. So I think that was a very good decision. And after the first five episodes, the anime becomes quite good. My second big problem with this anime is that in every raid, whenever the raider touches someone, everything stops and the word comes out struggle. It is okay in the beginning, but after sometimes it becomes quite annoying. Like in the second practice match, I think there were three amazing raids. One was from Ojo, other was from Yuegoshi, and one was from Sakura. During Sakura's raid, I was completely hooked with the show. But whenever he touched someone, everything stopped and I felt disconnected from the anime. So I hope they do something about it in the second season because I know that the second season is going to be amazing because they are going to some kind of tournament or something. Now let's talk about the characters. So we don't get to see the backstory of all the characters, but the ones that we get to see are really nice. My favorite backstories were of Sakura, Yuegoshi and Ban. My favorite characters were Ojo and Sakura. Though there was no waifu in the show, there was an Otokonoko. So I guess best waifu Hitomi. Overall, I will give this show a 6, 6.5, something like that, though I've given it an 8 on my anime list because someone in the review section was saying that the show might get cancelled. I'm really waiting for the second season because I know it's going to be much better because of the tournament and everything. And once the second season come out, I will change the score on my anime list too. Until then, see you next time.